welcome to Superb Story Time, a time where we listen to wonderful, beautiful short stories. We draw life skills, life lessons, life values from them and become thought leader. Story of a young boy, 8 years old, named Rohan. Rohan's birthday was coming up and he was thinking how he can throw his dream party for his friends. He was a social guy, had many friends, wanted to invite all of them. He had been getting invited for the last 1 year. Every birthday he will collect. Oh, I should have those metallic balloons. Oh, I should have a cake bigger than this. Oh, I should have balloons. I should have this, return gifts. Every other thing he had made a list in his mind. But he knew that all of this needs what? Needs good amount of money. He needs a decent amount of money for this particular birthday party that he wished to throw. So now, as the birthday was coming closer, he got an idea. Okay, let me do this. He came up and he made a memo, a bill for his mother. Dear mother, every day picking up the milk packets and keeping it inside the kitchen, rupees 1, 365 into 1. He put 365 rupees. Every day taking the dog out for a walk, 3 rupees into 365 dash. Okay. Every day cleaning up the dining table, 365 into 2, 730 rupees. So like that, he started putting for a lot of errands and all the things, cleaning up the vessel, 5 rupees per day. So like that, he realized, okay, mom is spending some money here and there, so I am also gonna make, if somebody comes home to do anything, they get paid, so I will also. So he made about 10 items and he came up with the overall bill of rupees 5,650 rupees. He made a bill, 5,650 rupees bill he made, and he went and gave it to his mom. Mom took a look. She smiled. Smart boy. Wonderful. Lovely. Thank you so much, dear. And she was very nice. She put the money. She asked, what are you going to use? He said, I have this plan. I have to buy this. I have to buy those snacks, metallic balloons. We have to make an arrangement. I want to throw a big bash for all my birthday. It's my ninth birthday coming up. Okay, I've completed 8. Ninth birthday coming up. I want to throw a big bash and all. I think mother goes, pulls out. They are not a very well-to-do. They are okay. They do reasonably well, but still 5,000 rupees is a decent sum. Then she takes the money, puts it in an envelope, says, okay, this is for you, and all that. He's very happy, starts planning and all the other things, and also expecting a lot of gifts. Birthday expectation of gifts are there. Then what happens is everything goes as normal. The birthday starts. It's a huge birthday. There are about 20, 30 of his friends come. They celebrate. He gets lots and lots of gifts. He has his dream birthday. However, this is what he finds an envelope. He finds an envelope. His mother. His mother writes a bill. She makes a memo. She says, for keeping you in my womb for 9 months and loving you with this thing in the rupees 0.00, for giving you birth with lots of suffering and love, rupees 0 rupees 0, for feeding you with love and care till today, 0 for breastfeeding you, rupees 0 with lots of love, for taking care of you every time you got sick, rupees 0.00, for making sure that you are well cleaned and well taken care of, rupees 0.0. This is yeah, for standing up for your tantrums, rupees 0 okay, for depending depending my and for depriving myself of luxuries and giving you toys and clothing, your best choice, rupees 0 for great love, friendship, nursing, and every other thing, for teaching, rupees 0 total amount, and with and sign down, your loving mother. Rohan, 8 years old, turned 9, and he had tears. He said, this was the best gift I got ever. Friends, what did you learn? What mothers sacrifice is unimaginable. What they go through. One just incident is of you coming alive, taking birth. When you come from your mother's womb, that is a pain which is almost described in terms of literally death. That is how painful the affair is, giving birth. But your mom never complains. Thank you so much, everybody.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.